If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making SUARA PITHA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take 1 cup of urad dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 6 to 8 hours. Then discard the water and without adding any fresh water, blend to make a thick paste. Then take about half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor instead of adding just chopped ginger. Then about half a cup of rice flour, half a cup of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, mix all these ingredients except the ghee. Now the consistency of the batter is like as thickest as you can make. For SUARA PITHA, it requires little to no water at all, just little bit of water so that you can combine all of them really well. And that's it. Now once it's well combined, take the ghee in a small pan which can hold all the batter and keep the heat on medium flame. Then gently pour all the batter in it and with the help of a spatula or a spoon evenly spread it just like this. And now we need to shallow fry this until the bottom portion is cooked completely. And how you will know? Just use a spatula and from an edge gently lift it, and if you see golden color, that means the bottom side is completely cooked. Now use another spatula or a spoon and slowly flip it and also shallow fry the other side, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad SUARA PITHA. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.